In an unpredictable world where unforeseen events can dramatically alter the course of our lives, the role of insurance becomes increasingly vital. Whether it's a sudden illness, a car accident, or damage to property, insurance serves as a safety net that can mitigate financial hardship and provide peace of mind. We will explore the various dimensions of insurance, highlighting its importance in safeguarding individuals, families, and businesses against potential risks and uncertainties. One of the primary benefits of insurance is its ability to provide financial protection. For individuals and families, policies such as health insurance, life insurance, and homeowners insurance can prevent devastating financial losses. When an unexpected medical emergency arises, for instance, having health insurance can cover substantial medical bills, allowing families to focus on recovery rather than financial strain. In this way, insurance acts as a financial buffer that can help maintain stability and protect against economic hardship. Moreover, insurance fosters a sense of security and peace of mind. Knowing that one is covered in the event of an accident or disaster can significantly reduce anxiety and stress. This emotional reassurance is especially important for families with dependents, as life insurance ensures that loved ones are financially secure even in the absence of the primary breadwinner. Consequently, the psychological benefits of insurance contribute to overall well-being, enabling individuals to live their lives with greater confidence and stability. Additionally, insurance plays a crucial role in promoting responsible behavior. Many insurance policies come with incentives for policyholders to adopt safer practices, such as driving carefully or maintaining a healthy lifestyle. For instance, auto insurance companies often reward safe driving records with lower premiums, encouraging individuals to prioritize safety on the road. By incentivizing positive behaviors, insurance not only protects individuals financially but also fosters a culture of responsibility and care within communities. The importance of insurance extends beyond individuals and families to encompass businesses as well. For companies, various forms of insurance such as liability, property, and workers' compensation are essential for protecting assets and ensuring operational continuity. In the event of a lawsuit or a natural disaster, insurance can provide the necessary financial resources to recover and rebuild. Thus, for businesses, having comprehensive insurance coverage is not just a precaution, it is a strategic necessity that safeguards their future. Furthermore, insurance contributes to the overall stability of the economy. By pooling risks among a large number of policyholders, insurance companies can manage uncertainties more effectively. This risk-sharing mechanism allows for the smooth functioning of markets, as businesses and individuals are more willing to invest and engage in economic activities when they know they have protection against potential losses. Individual of the basic reasons insurance is main is that it supports financial care against surprising occurrences. Whether it's a convertible disaster, a sudden disease, or damage to possessions, security helps cover the costs associated with these occurrences, lowering the financial burden on things and offspring. Instance, health insurance can help cover healing expenses that could alternatively bring about important debt. Thus, protection acts as a financial safeguard, admitting folk to recover from disappointments outside the fear of crippling expenses. Furthermore, protection fosters a contentment and mental freedom. Knowing that you are shielded against potential risks admits things to live their lives without continual take the trouble what power happen time to come. For instance, homeowners insurance not only protects individuals' future but further provides security that they will not continue destitute in the aftermath of a trouble. This intellectual benefit of having protection cannot be underestimated. It empowers population to take risks, pursue event, and purchase their futures without the loyal fear of commercial ruin. Additionally, security is crucial for trades, as it helps bureaucracy manage risks, guide their movements. Business security can cover entirety from debt claims to property damage, guaranteeing that a lone unexpected occurrence does not endanger the entire guest. For limited businesses, this care is specifically main as they often manage on thin borders. By mitigating potential deficits, protection enables trades to devote effort to something development and innovation that is essential for financial development. The role of insurance in promoting social stability also cannot be overlooked. By pooling resources and spreading risk among a larger group, insurance contributes to economic resilience. When individuals and businesses are protected against losses, they are less likely to face bankruptcy, which can have a cascading effect on the economy. This collective risk management helps stabilize communities, allowing them to recover more effectively from disasters and economic downturns. In addition, insurance helps trustworthy behavior by incentivizing things to underwrite risks. For instance, convertible security often leads operators to select safer, forceful practices to prevent accidents and lower their premiums. Similarly, medical insurance can stimulate individuals to acquire deterrent care, thus advancing a more active population overall. This facet of protection not only helps individuals but again donates to the overall well-being of people. Certainly, the significance of insurance offers to the sphere of permissible and regulatory agreement. Many types of protection, to a degree workers' compensation or debt security, are constitutionally required for trades and sure professions. This supervisory framework helps guarantee that things and guests are prepared to handle potential risks, with preserving not just themselves but more their employees and clients. By observing to these necessities, trades can operate more responsibly and fairly inside their societies. Finally, the importance of security is versatile, encompassing economic protection, mental freedom, trade stability, friendly elasticity, responsible practice, and legal agreement. Protection serves as a vital form that safeguards individuals and trades from the doubts of life, plateful bureaucracy to navigate risks optimistically. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we hope you found our content informative, engaging, and perhaps even a bit enlightening. Remember, the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions for your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the complexities of finance. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart financial moves. See you in the next video.